If you've used Arcade by Output, you already know it's fire. Output has just released the newest innovation, Co-Producer, an AI tool that crafts sample packs with just a few simple prompts. Let me show you what this thing can do. So first of all, it's free. All you got to do is go to output.com, click on Start Creating, put your email address in, and then click Continue. I've already got an account, so it's just going to log me in straight away. Then, as you can see, it says enter a prompt, listen to the previews, then download your favorite pack. As simple as that. Gives you some examples for prompts, so you can just type in anything you want, and it's going to create for you from their library, royalty free. All right, so let's see what this thing can do. I'm going to type in drill piano, no drums. So if I didn't explain, you can type in the instrument, you can type in a genre, you can type in a sound, you can type in the key, you can type in the BPM. So whatever you want to type in. So I'm going to try a drill piano, no drums, 140 BPM. Let's try D minor. Click generate 4 new packs and then wait while Co-Producer does its thing. Reason why this is good, because imagine you're in your studio, you've got no ideas, you've got a bit of beat block, and you're thinking to yourself, I want to make something today, I want to create something, but you just out of ideas. By using this, you can just create some new ideas. It's like having your own personal AI system for music production. It's like having someone sitting in here with you, creating beats. All right, so enough talking. Let's see what these packs are saying. So we've got 4 demos here. Let's have a listen to what these have got for us. I'm not too sure about that one at all. Nope, that ain't it, Chief. Okay, that was not too bad. Let's see what the 4th one's saying. Oh dear, we haven't got one. We haven't got a 4th demo. All right, let's try a different prompt. Actually, you know what? I'm going to try this prompt here. Let's see what that brings up. Let's have a listen and see what it's going to generate for us. All right, so we got pack 1. I'm not too sure about that one. I do like the toy piano sound. That would probably have its uses. Not for me though. Right, so that's cool. What I don't like that prompt. So that's not something that I would type in. But I can see its uses for something, for example, like if I'm making a video and I need a bit of background music in there, and I don't want to go to another place and outsource their music. So it could have its uses where you're just using it as background music for your B-roll, or just to create a mood in your videos. That's what I'd probably use that for. All right, let's try this prompt. Soulful lo-fi piano. Oops. 90 BPM. And let's see what that's going to bring up. All right. So let's test it out. I think that's really cool. I like the piano in the background. I don't like the sound going all the way through. Doesn't need to be there. But if I was to download that pack, I'm hoping that pad part won't be in there. So let's just see what these other packs are saying for now. Yes, better. I like that. I like that one. Yes. Oh, that's nice. I like that. I'm a sucker for pianos, innit? Like when I hear like a nice piano. That's nice. I just don't understand why it's got that sound through it. Is it because it's beta mode or something? I don't know. I just don't really like that continuous pad sound. If it wasn't for that, it'd be amazing. All right, cool. So I can't decide between 2 and 4. No, 2. All right, so I'm going to download 2. But this time I want to add some drums in there. Let's see what that can offer me. And I'm hoping it's creating the demo from pack 2 from the first one. Wow, it's also making some new ideas. And it is. So yeah, that's good. Let's test it out and see what we got. Now that's cool. Don't really feel lo-fi for me. It feels a bit more jazzy. But again, I'm hoping if I download it that the drums will be either one shots, or if it doesn't have one shots, we can just easily chop up the sample. That's nice. Again, very jazzy. Not bad. Don't like the drum pattern though, but it's cool. So let's go with that one. I like the drums in that. So I'm gonna try download that one as well and see if I can just merge the two. So you probably be a bit more creative with your prompts than I was and come up with some unique sounds for yourself and just create your own packs. Let's jump into Logic and see what we got. So when you download your packs, you're going to see you've got a sample pack and then you've got track stems, and then the track stems will be, yes, the piano is separate. And then we've got that pad that I didn't like. It's there. I can just get rid of that. Lovely. And some final crackle. So, oh man, this is amazing. I like it already. And then we got, again, so it's created a whole set of samples for us to use. So for example, I like this pad, yeah? I can grab that pad, I can go into Logic, I can put that straight onto sampler and start playing keys off of it. I don't really like the sound of that, if I'm honest. But that's cool. I like that I'm able to do that with that sound. Let's see what else we got. We got a whole bunch of crackles. Ah, that's amazing. Love it. What's this now? I've got an idea for a beat for that, which I'm going to create in a minute. I want to listen to the other ones, but I don't want to because I've got the idea in my head. But let's just listen to them. Oof. Very jazzy. Soulful. That's probably why they like this. That's nice, man. All right, let's make a beat with that one. I like that. Spoiled for choice because I've got 140 BPM here and I know I can just quickly create something with that first sample. So that's what I'm going to do. So we just drag and drop our sample in. This is 90 BPM. I want to change it to 140. So what I do is I double click on Logic tempo window, make that 90. And then I'm going to change this loop to polyphonic. And now I want to change it back to 140 and we should be good. Yep, lovely. I'm going to turn this off because it's going to sound weird for you. I wonder why that's in mono. I don't like that it's in mono. So we just change it, make that wider. Let me just check if that sample is in mono. Yeah, the sample's in mono. Okay, so I got my generic drum pattern. Drop my favorite 808 into Logic Pro. And let's just create a beat. Just create a quick drill beat from it. I like it. Jeez, yes. This is really loud. Okay, let's turn that sample down a bit. All right, so what I want to do now, I want to try to see if Co-Producer can bring me a nice little vocal sample without me having to go to Arcade. Vocal sample, hold on, Soulful female vocals. Let's say 70 BPM, and I can stretch it. Okay, so let's see what we've got. No, that's not it, Chief. Nothing in that pack. Oh no. Doesn't seem like it's gonna bring up vocals. It's grabbing everything else. Maybe because it's in beta mode still, why it's not hitting yet. Okay, let's see what this has got for us. Nothing. Doesn't got anything for us there, which is a shame because a nice little vocal would have gone over would have sounded nice over that. But you get the idea of what it can do. So now you see how easy it is for you to create your own sample packs by just typing a few prompts into Co-Producer. I think it's a handy tool. I think it's got the potential to be very powerful. It's in its early stages, still in beta, so you can see the potential of how this can grow and help us as producers to continue to create, just like I said, by just typing in a few prompts. It's AI. This AI is here. No matter what you say, how much we try to fight against it, it's here. As a creative, I think it's a good thing because we can use it to our advantages and help us to create amazing music. Help us to create amazing music. It's not going to take over making music. Or who knows? We'll see. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below if you've used it already or what you've seen today and what you think of it. I'm interested to know. Appreciate you for watching. See you in the next video.